Welcome back to the gardening channel. Have you ever watched a heavy rainstorm and seen all that precious water and your expensive topsoil just wash right off your property? In a world where droughts are becoming more common and water costs are rising in 2026, we can't afford to let that happen. Today, we're talking about the ultimate water solution, the swale. It's more than just a ditch. It's a biological system that turns your land into a sponge. I'm going to show you exactly how they work, how to build one, and why they might be the single best investment you ever make for your garden. Simply put, a swale is a shallow trench dug on contour. That means it follows a level line across a slope. Unlike a drain that moves water away, a swale is designed to stop water. The 3 S's. Slow it. It catches fast-moving runoff. Spread it. It holds the water level across the landscape. Sink it. It allows that water to slowly infiltrate deep into the soil over 24 to 48 hours. When you sink water into a swale, you aren't just watering the surface. You're recreating an underground reservoir or a water lens that plants can tap into for weeks, even during the hottest part of summer. Key components: the basin, the trench itself, usually 1 to 2 feet wide and 6 to 12 inches deep for most home gardens. The berm, the mound of soil placed on the downhill side of the trench. This is where the real magic happens. It's your primary planting zone. The spillway, a critical safety feature. A slightly lower point, lined with rocks, where excess water can exit safely during a 100-year storm without washing out your berm. Filling the basin with wood chips or gravel helps prevent evaporation and keeps the soil biology thriving. Step 1. Find the contour. Use an A-frame level or a laser level to mark a perfectly level line across your slope. If it's not level, the water will just pool at one end and break through. Step 2. Check your soil. Test for permeability. Dig a small hole and fill it with water. If it's still there 24 hours later, your soil is too heavy in clay and you may need to amend it with compost or sand to help it sink. Step 3. Dig and pile. Dig your trench and move that soil to the downhill side to form your berm. Good rule of thumb is 3 parts width to 1 part depth. This makes the sides gentle enough to walk on or even mow. Step 4. Level the bottom. The bottom of the trench must be flat, so water spreads evenly. You can test this with a garden hose before you finish. Step 5. Mulch and plant. Cover the basin to protect it from the sun. Then, plant your berm immediately to lock the soil in place with roots. Okay. Swales are often called tree-growing systems because the berm stays hydrated from underneath. It's the perfect spot for fruit and nut trees. Apples, pears, and pecans love the consistent moisture. Nitrogen fixers. Plants like clover or lupin help feed the other plants. Deep-rooted perennials, comfrey or asparagus help stabilize the berm and pull nutrients from deep down. Pro tip: in 2026, we're focusing on native species. They already adapted to your local rain cycles and will require almost zero maintenance once established. Before you grab your shovel, avoid these 3 big mistakes. Too close to the house. Keep swales at least 10 feet away from your foundation to avoid basement flooding. Too steep. Don't build swales on slopes steeper than 15 to 25%. On very steep hills, you risk causing a landslide. Neglecting the spillway, every swale will overflow eventually. Plan where that water goes. Maintenance: just check it twice a year. Clear out any fallen leaves or sediment that might block the flow. By building a swale, you're not just fixing a drainage problem. You're creating a self-watering, climate-resilient ecosystem right in your backyard. It's better for your plants, better for your wallet, and better for the planet. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the gardening channel for more regenerative gardening tips. Have you tried building a swale yet? Let me know in the comments below. Happy gardening!